But first, students have been questioning if they could get sick. On Tuesday, Vice President of Student Life Smith Jackson emailed members of the Elon campus, warning them that an Elon student was diagnosed with meningitis. Our Perry-Elia Durrani investigates what this means for students now.
Meningitis is a severe disease. At best, a patient needs to be treated at a hospital. At worst, a patient suffers permanent disabilities or is killed within a few hours. So after this email was sent to students saying that a case of meningitis appeared in an Elon student and several others have been placed on antibiotics out of caution, Medical Director of Student Health Services Jeanette Archinal wants things to be clear to students about the risk.
We use the example if you're on a plane. You would need to be sitting next to somebody in coach who is actively sick with meningitis or actively contagious for at least 8 hours to even be at risk of getting meningitis.
Archinal says the student's meningitis is bacterial and that the student's case is the only one reported in Alamance County, since meningitis is really only spread through saliva, and the health center has already contacted students they've identified as being at risk. She says common hygiene will keep you safe.
Don't share lip balm, don't drink other people's drinks, don't eat off other people's food. You know, if you're sick, don't share saliva with your partner. It's that simple.
Archinal wrote the email to students and says she decided to pass it on not because of risk, but because she wants the health center to be direct.
There's a need to be transparent. There's a need to treat your campus community as adults and not hide things from people. And that's why the email was sent out.
While risk may be low for students, if you begin to experience symptoms of bacterial meningitis such as sudden fever, headache, and neck pain, Archinal says you should contact a physician right away. Perry-Elia Durrani, ELN Morning.
Vaccinations for meningitis in North Carolina are recommended but not required by the state. To check to see if you've been vaccinated since you were 16, that's the age the CDC recommends. You can request your records from the Elon Health Center patient portal or your physician.